Hello and welcome to the Easy English Football Club YouTube channel. My name is Andrew, and on this YouTube channel, I help you improve your English in under 5 minutes without grammar or memorization with soccer stories from around the world. Today, we'll be looking at the Champions League games. I've written a script in easy English using high-frequency vocab words that I'll read at normal speech rate, and just by hopefully consuming English, seeing English, and listening, you can improve your English as well and eventually speak better. So with that, we'll get into the story. You can follow along as I read and just consume and eventually try to speak better. So, Champions League recap from February 11th, 2025. First up, we had PSG against Brest. PSG came out strong and took the lead with a penalty kick by Vitinha in the first half. Then Dembele scored two amazing goals in the second half. PSG won 3-0, making it a tough challenge for Brest in the second leg. Next, Juventus played PSV Eindhoven. It was a tight game, but Juventus managed to score first with a goal by the American, McKinney. PSV fought back and equalized with a goal from Perisic. However, Juventus pulled ahead again with a late goal by Bangula, and Juventus won the game 2-1. Moving on to Manchester City versus Real Madrid. This was an exciting match with lots of action. Real Madrid took the lead with a goal from Mbappe in the 60th minute. Manchester City's Erling Haaland scored twice, first in the 19th minute and then from a penalty in the 80th. But Real Madrid fought back with Brahim Diaz scoring in the 86th minute, followed by a dramatic winner from Jude Bellingham in stoppage time, securing a 3-2 victory for Real Madrid. This match was a roller coaster of emotions, with both teams showcasing their attacking flair. Finally, Sporting CP faced Borussia Dortmund. Dortmund came out on top with a convincing 3-0 win. Gruse opened the scoring with a header from Julian Brandt cross in the 60th minute, followed by Gross doubling the lead with a well-taken shot in the 68th. Karim Amdime sealed the victory for Dortmund in the 82nd minute, leaving Sporting CP with a mountain to climb in the return leg. So, a lot of big victories here, but some close matches too. Real Madrid winning in England. That was great by them. And Juventus winning 2-1 at home. Those were two good close matches. But Borussia and PSG winning 3-0. That will be hard for the other teams to overcome. So hopefully you learned some English here. You saw some high frequency English vocab, and just spending time in English, you will get better. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.